Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Discord audio cutting out on your settings. So just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down. You will click here on apps and you come to apps window and you go down here to looking for Discord app. Then you click here on Discord and you come to next window here or app info. Then you click here on for stop and you click here on OK. Then you click here on storage. Then you come to a storage window. You just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you go to Play Store. You click here on Play Store. Then you come to Play Store app, and you just go to click here on update, and you make sure you update your Discord app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.